be a lot of political prosecution in Hong Kong, and this is nothing new. The only hope I have is that today we have some happy news to, when there's so many bad news, but happy news of course cannot be many now in Hong Kong because of the political suppression. But definitely one thing that we will still march on, and no matter what lies in the future. And we believe in the people of Hong Kong, we believe in our brother and sister in our struggle. And the victory is ours if people of Hong Kong are persistent.
Banyak kali dah suka sama anak, jono yang kali ni jodoh, enggak banyak. Air, asawar kelan air marba, macam boleh juga tak jodoh le dah jono ke banyak. Jodoh nak banyak li, jodoh nak banyak li. Lele jodoh dah jodoh, nak banyak. Lele jodoh dah jodoh. Awak dah panas ya. Ayah bapa kira kan, kalau orang kerja pasti dah pisah kira, awak jodoh na. Banyak batamai mana apa, dunia le jumpa ada jumpa temui, kau dua ada bapa temui na. Dah buat kalau awak ni cuma tidak siapa ada.
Wajok maki ewanya dapur.
Salah, yakin. Banyak.